If you're someone who likes to decant a lot of wine, you've probably noticed over time a slight residue or stain that builds up over time, especially if you're using crystal. So today we are going to share 3 ways to get that decanter sparkling like new, and also share some things not to do. So stay tuned.
Hey Corkies, welcome back to corkandjava.com. You all know that you're supposed to get joy and fascination from even the little things in life that most people take for granted. So here at Cork and Java, I'm Billy and this is Bryn, and we're here to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages through coffee and wine, reviews, and how-tos. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button down below with that little bell so you're notified when all of our future videos come out.
So today we are giving you the top 3 ways to get your decanter looking like it's brand spanking new.
All right, so before we get through our top 3 ways, I want to share with you what not to do, especially if you have a really nice crystal decanter or something like that. You're not going to want to put this in the dishwasher. That's rule number 1. You might think you can, but these things can be very brittle and very thin depending on which kind of decanter you get. So you're just not going to want to risk it. And the temperatures also get very hot in there too. So it's a big risk to do the dishwasher. And also the detergent and stuff will cake on just a little bit and can impart some off flavors to your wine as well.
Yeah, I don't even know how you would fit. I mean, like this, you could probably like finagle in there,
under
but
the
like
bottom
the
shelf,
like
maybe.
gooseneck, you know, or like the, you know, various different kinds of shapes of decanters would probably be like put in there very precariously and not, I mean, it would probably just fall and like shatter into a million pieces. So yeah, definitely don't put it in the dishwasher.
All right, so the first way that you can use a decanter and clean it is to get cleaning beads. They're basically like mini steel BBs, about that size, maybe of like birdshot, if you're a shotgun person, type size. And I'll leave a link down to where you can pick them up on Amazon. If they're just little metal BBs that you put down in the bottom. You put a little water in there as well, and you just mix it up, swirl it around, and the steel BBs kind of just knock off any residue and stain and stuff that you got on there. So that's a great product if, especially if you got stuff caked in your decanter, or if you have like a really odd shaped decanter that you really can't get a bottle brush or anything into, and you're not going to get a bottle brush into here. There's no way you're getting to the sides or anything like that. So those BBs are great for knocking down, especially if you've had a night where you've used your decanter and you leave it out and you forget to clean it, and then you wake up the next day and you got red wine caked all in the inside there and stained up really bad. It's good to kind of use those beads.
Another great hack is vinegar. I use vinegar in just normal cleaning, but if you just maybe rinse this out with a little bit of warm water and then add some vinegar to it, it'll take stains out like perfectly. You'll also want to rinse out the vinegar, or else you'll get the lingering like vinegar smell and taste in there, which was not ideal for wine. So definitely make sure you rinse it out.
Yeah, definitely be rinsing out that vinegar.
Yeah.
And for our third and final way to clean your decanter, it's with ice and coarse salt.
Yes.
You mix them together, you put them in there, maybe a little bit of water or a little bit of vinegar. You can mix some of that in there too, and swish it around. And the crushed ice and the coarse salt will act very similar to the cleaning beads that we mentioned before. Of course, the salt is going to dissolve and the ice is going to melt, and it's not quite as hard as the BBs would, but it still will do a pretty good job of getting all the crud out and being pretty abrasive in there.
Yeah, and definitely use coarse salt. Don't just use like some like iodized you know, stuff that you've got laying around. I mean, a lot of people have vinegar and the salt and the ice at home, so those are probably the two, you know, go-tos that people do, but the beads are also a great option too.
Yep.
All right, so leave a comment below with how you like to clean your decanter. Maybe we have an idea that we've missed completely, so share your tips with us about the best way to clean your decanter.
Yeah, and let us know also, what is your favorite decanter that you have? What kind of shape is it? We'd like to know that as well. All right, make sure you guys are checking us out online. We got a Facebook group, Cork and Java. We got a Twitter and a Pinterest and a brand new Instagram account. This is the premiere video that we're sharing our Instagram account. So yeah, check us out on Instagram.
It's still a work in progress, so I mean, you're not going to be blown away, guys. So don't hold us into some crazy level of
you will be blown away. So check us out on Instagram. Guaranteed, you will be blown away. And with that, we're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.